Yeah, I did it. I stole it. You gotta prove it though. Hey guys, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.Luxe. So Pawlowski, she started a phenomenal tag, and that's the items you'd steal from other YouTubers. So I'm just gonna scooch over so I can, you know, put some pictures and things, because yeah, I do have a few people who I want to steal from. So starting it off with Miss Caitlin, of course I have to come to the creator because I have to steal something of hers. Now I'm not really into the clothing because obvi, I'm plus size. Fashion houses be hating on a girl, but that Balenciaga bomber jacket though, bomb. I would totally rock that. That is just like cool girl status. Like, who am I? Who are you? I'm that bitch. It looks warm and thick like myself, you know? So I should just be able to steal that, you know? Just saying. I gotta steal from my girl Cassie. Let's just run down the list of things I'ma just come up in your house and take. First off, I'm taking your Chanel earrings. The drop joints, I'm taking it. They're so hard to find and ridiculously priced. It's just like, I have to steal. Like, blame resellers. Her Fendi baguette with the neon piping. Seriously, girl. Let me hold that. It's something about that neon against the brown, and it just works. It looks so fly, and I'm just like, ooh. But you know the #1 bag that I'm coming for? Don't sleep around me, because I'ma take it. It's that blue Chanel bag. Oh my God. That is the essence of moi. It's blue. It has antique gold hardware. It has a double strap moment. That bag is so fly. You lucky there's a whole entire ocean between us, because that bag would be mine. The next person I'm stealing from, Richelle. Girl, Richelle. Her and Cassie, in my opinion, have the best street style here on YouTube in the luxury community. They just rock it. Sidewalk chic. And it's just like so dope. So Richelle has this men's oblique Dior saddlebag. The joint that you put across your chest. I don't even like crossbody bags. I can't do it, but her style is what I think I am on the outside, but I know I am on the inside. She's so dope. The fact that it's a men's piece, I love shopping in the men's section because obviously they carry a bitch's size. It's something about that bag. It's like I need to level up to that, bloop, bloop, you know? And I feel like I'd be one of the cool girls, you know? Just, what's up? How you doing? You checking for me? I'm not checking for you though. The next bag I'm stealing is from YotaStyle. She has this Fendi backpack that I'm just like, I'm into it. That pop of red and then the Fendi print. And I'm just like, wow, like, you're cute. Yeah, let me hold on to that because it's looking kind of fly. I really mess with it. So, keeping with backpacks, HeyyyJune. HeyyyJune has this vintage Fendi backpack. I need to find that. It's so adorably cute, but still fashionable and functional. Oh my. Yo, that bag though, that bag. Who doesn't want that? Who? That bag is dope. That bag is dope. Period. Point blank. It's dope. I need it. You know I have to go to my boo's house, Wil Mihkason. Luckily I live a couple of minutes away from him. He just has this extensive collection of fashion books, and I'm just like I want to decorate my house like that. Like, can I get a book? I'm not into books like that, but I want a book. But the ultimate things, emphasis on the S, his Louis Vuitton briefcases and the listen, I never knew I needed luggage pieces or briefcases until I've actually went to his house and saw it in person. Like a picture, it's cool, but seeing it and touching it and finessing it, it's just like, I just need stuff to sit there and look pretty. And he does it so effortlessly, and he is just so opulent. He makes me want to do better with my life. I just want to be able to put Louis down and as decoration. And I'm just like, ChrisObv or ChrisObv, whichever one. I have a few things I'm going to steal from you. Tigerama card holder case in that yellow color. Listen, I'ma need that. Run me that. That is just so freaking cute. I missed out on it. It was already sold out, but they had a couple of places that had them in store. So I was like, you know, when I come back from Barbados, boom, I'll pick it up. Shouldn't have did that. Another piece I'm taking from you, the Apollo PM from the Upside Down ink monogram. I love that little pouch. It's just like, I just got the bag charm, but he has the Apollo PM, and I'm just like, I need that. I really need that. So let me have it. I'll borrow it. I'll take good care of it. I'm not really into Hermes and some of Chanel. I hate to say it. They get a little repetitive and a little boring. But if I have a money, I'm going for exotics. And that person who has it on YouTube is Drews_views22. He has these exotic Chanel bags, like snakeskin python. They just look expensive. Oh, she got money. If you have not seen those Chanel bags, you'll be gagged. You'll be gagged. It's gorgeous. Now, if I'm gonna do Hermes, he has this ombre snakeskin Kelly bag. It's just so gorgeous. Man, that's the number one bag like I'm taking from that collection. No, I'm lying. That's the number one Hermes bag that I'm taking from his collection. It's just so bomb. Words cannot describe that bag. It's just like ombre beautifulness. You just have to see it. It's just amazing. My final person, this woman to me has the best all-around collection here on YouTube, and that is Brandy. IAmLadyLuxe. I need to sit back. From Birkins to Chanel, Dior, you name it, she has it. I can literally go into her closet, spin around, do the Macarena, drop it low, pick it up slow, and land on any bag, and I'd be happy. I'd be fucking happy with it. That is a collection. I don't get, oh my gosh, with a bunch of Birkins. I don't. It doesn't do it for me. But she has different styles. Embroidered pearl this. She has some of the most unique looking bags. She has a little bit of exotic here, python that, and if there's any person's closet I would raid, it's hers. End of story. End of story. That is goals right there. If I ain't knew what goals was, honey, that's goals. Just how well-rounded her collection is. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. Like, I can't even pick one thing. It's just, I'd take it all. I would take it all. I'd be the Grinch up in that motherfucker. Sorry, Mary Lou or Cindy Lou, whatever your name is. Girl, now my heart will not grow 3 times this. Now I'm gonna be up on my little hill looking down. The people who I've mentioned in this video are also going to be the people that I am tagging to do this. Silent subscribers, if I didn't even tag you, let me know in the comment section, because I know y'all want to steal some things. So go ahead, let me know. Check out some of my videos over here, and I'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget, stealing isn't stealing unless you get caught. And if you get caught, you have to prove it. So make sure you got a good lawyer. And if you have a good lawyer, he knows the law. But you have a great lawyer, they know the judge. And I'm out. Bye.